Well, last time you saw us, we were exploring Helen, Georgia and Anaruby Falls. And now we continue on this video to check out a little bit more on the outskirts of town. So where we headed is to check out a few more waterfalls, but these are a little bit less on the main road type. They're a little less visited, but just as beautiful. And of course, my favorite way to get to them, back country roads. Can't go wrong with a dirt road. Hang out with us and hopefully you'll be in for a treat. I was already happy just riding the back roads. It was beautiful out here. The hike, of course, would be the ultimate prize, seeing that waterfall. The parking area to go on this hike was very subtle, and if it hadn't been for a couple of cars being there, we would have missed it. It was like a different world out here. No crowds. Very few people were out here hiking. It was a huge difference compared to Anaruby Falls. These hikes in Georgia are a real treat. Not only do you get a waterfall at the end, but you get little small waterfalls along the way. Beautiful place. Along this route, we not only found some camping spots, or what look like camping spots, but some off-road ATV trails. So we stopped to shake the crumbs off of Tanya. Show them what you've been eating.
Oh, the pork skins?
Yeah. Where'd we get them? They're actually not hot.
Fred's Famous Peanuts.
Yeah, and it was pretty good. But now, if you look at her shirt, it's all stained.
All the seasoning fell off.
Maybe they'll wash off. It'll be worth it. And Patrick ran away. He don't want to be on camera. So far, we're having a good time up here. It's beautiful. We're not camping this time. We're staying in a hotel, but the temperature feels so much nicer up here. Although on that trail that we just did, we were sweating pretty bad. Some sections of this road were kind of bumpy, and as you can see here, some of them were kind of steep, but nothing too crazy. We never did have to put it into four-wheel drive or anything like that. So on this day, we were very ambitious. We ended up doing 3 hikes. Not bad for old people. Anyway, this was the third and last hike that we did of the day, and this is the trailhead. So already promising to be a nice hike if it starts out with views like this. At the end, we should see a waterfall. If you're thinking, wait, you said 3 hikes and I've only seen 2 on this video, that's because our first one was on the last video, Anaruby Falls. Yeah, I read that you could see it from here. We're still hiking. I don't know about you guys. My old bones are sore, but this is too pretty not to.
Yes, it is.
Let's keep going till we can't go no more.
Uh-oh, it's not paved anymore.
Nope, back to dirt. So Patrick just asked which way. Huh, I wonder. Did you figure it out, buddy? Well guys, hope you enjoyed the video so far. We're going to meander onto the Smokies now and then eventually head home. So stay tuned for the next video. That'll be on the next one. We'll be in the Smokies. Y'all take care.